Their first major breakthrough came in 2010 when they won champion at the Antipolo Festival, the city's huge festival celebrated during the month of May to showcase the rich culture and heritage of Antipolo. That victory opened doors to wider performance opportunities within Antipolo and eventually beyond the city.
The first break po talaga ng Bukluran Dance Group was way back 2010 nung kami po ay nag-champion dito po sa Antipolo. That time po, ang festival po ng Antipolo ay Antipolo Festival. So that was the first break po. Then, nagtuloy-tuloy na po yon hanggang sa nakapunta po kami ng Aliwan or first Aliwan po ng Antipolo noong 2013. Followed by, ng mga following years po noon, naging runner-up po kami here in Antipolo. Although, we are runner-up that time, may mga opportunities po na pumapasok sa amin wherein ini-invite kami for a certain performances in DepEd or in the private organization.
The Advocates, empowering voices.